you have it. To give you guys a better view from the back. Yeah, man, that looks good. What's up YouTube, it's Hellcat J here with another install video. So today we're just doing a quick little louver install on my Hellcat. So what I'm actually going to be putting on is this Glasskinz gloss black. It's called a torch model. I really like the look of this louver. I mean, it's different than the, you know, your typical straight louvers. I love like that Y/V on the middle. I think it's really menacing. And it's a very simple install. I'll show you guys here. They already kind of pre-prep the back for you, which I think is pretty awesome of them, with 3M tape. Also, what comes in the kit, well, I think they're really cool. They sent me this like flag that I can hang up in my garage. They send about 6 of these 3M adhesion promoter sticks, which is great. That's gonna help promote the adhesion. So we're gonna basically just clean the windshield with alcohol to remove any sort of grease. So I'll do that now with a microfiber towel, and then we just stick it on. Well, no, then we'll apply the adhesion promoter, and then we'll just stick it on, okay? We're gonna use these 3M applicator sticks, adhesion promoter. You just press them on, and you're just gonna go around the perimeter. Okay guys, now that I had the adhesion promoter around the perimeter, what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the 3M tape halfway off on each side so that it makes it easy. Okay, so I got them all halfway peeled. We're going to leave the tails on the outside so it's easy to alter and grab when it's done. And then what you're going to do, so you're just going to match it up with your window. It should be a perfect fit. Before pressing down, just check your placement. There you have it. To give you guys a better view from the back. Yeah, man, that looks good. Hell yeah. And that's it.